In this tutorial, we will add users to our CMMS. Users are those folks that need to access the system to process work orders, complete work orders, adjust parts, etc. In the top navigation bar, click the Settings icon and click Users. On the Users screen, click Add New on the top right-hand side. Add the user's name. Add their title. Select their user permissions. Technician permissions will give them access to work orders. Admin permissions give them full access to all menus and settings. If the user has an email address, leave the checkbox unchecked. Add their email address. And click Send Invite. The user will now receive an invite email to Zoidii, just like this one, with login details and a temporary password. In many cases, the folks on the floor may not have email access. If so, they can still access Zoidii with a username. In the Create User window, check the checkbox noting the user does not have email. Choose a username they can remember. Timothy Jones could be tim.jones, for example. Click Create User when done. In this case, as the user doesn't have email, the email invite is sent to you with their login details. You can print out the invite for the user or have them sit at your desk to reset their password. Repeat this process for all users. The user is configured with some default settings. If needed, open the user record to change the default labor rate or turn on additional notifications. And that's it for this tutorial.